I hope this visual helps all the subscribers. So we ran our system in the lowest point of the yard. That's the collection area. When we removed the cut sod, look what happened. All that water filled that very shallow 2.5 inch trench. Our system is going to scream. This system's going to work great. They're never going to see standing water again. Now, it is just instinct for a homeowner to want to put dirt in this collection area. But where do you think the water is going to go after you fill this in with dirt? Now it's 10 times harder, and it takes 10 times the trench and pipe to round that water back up because you scattered it everywhere. So when you have defined collection points, do not haul in a bunch of dirt and chase the water up towards the house, is what usually happens. Or now it's spread out throughout the entire backyard, and the only way you're getting it is with a French drain grid. And you're going to be running a lot of pipe and digging out a lot of dirt.